Dude, can't wait till my friend logs back on, and then I can finally try to find fireworks, and then get training from him. Back there.
Knock knock.
Who are you?
Yo, what's up, Green? My name's Fireworks 2000. I was wondering
Whoa,
if you
hang on,
wanted some
wait.
shield training.
You're the Fireworks, like the second best player in Animal Committee? Fireworks?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, what?
I was wondering if you wanted some shield training.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't got a shield, but sure, I'll take some training from you any day.
Alright, follow me.
So, how'd you find me, by the way? Because I'm being hunted down by, you know, like the 55th best player in Animal Company, Killer Blue. Yo. So
here's where we're gonna train.
Oh, whoa! Oh, okay, who are you?
It's people. Oh, I was just practicing my macing in here.
Is that another person you're giving training to?
Alright. You guys are gonna do your first missions, okay? So, Green, you're gonna go defeat those 2 bandits on the right riverside. You are gonna kill the other 2 bandits over there. Okay.
He's not gonna survive that.
I probably will. It'll just take longer.
Alright, let's go then.
Go ahead, go.
Why is there a piece of goop on my MRE?
Who are you guys? Wasn't me.
Hey.
Wasn't me.
You 2 are bandits, right? You 2 are the bandits, right?
Yeah, you got a problem with that?
I see you got one of the maces. There's only 22 of them.
Yeah, I do got one of the 22 maces. You got a problem with that?
Wait, aren't you the green guy who we hired in the Mafia?
I mean, I wasn't really hired, but like I got infiltrated, so yeah. What are you doing here? You were that girl, the commander, right? Why were you here?
Well, I kind of might have accidentally let somebody in who wasn't supposed to, and then they fired me for not being trustworthy.
Oh, that's crazy. Well, I sadly got to ban both of you, so... I banned both of you now, so...
Excuse me?
Hey, Fireworks?
Yeah.
Fireworks?
Sorry. Oh, I missed that completely. You're not doing anything.
I'm a bird. You see, I'm a birdie. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm about to die.
Don't hit him anymore. Let him hit us. Let him hit us.
How did I hit that? What? Yo. How am I hitting this?
Oh, is that actually?
I just banned your friend, so you're next. know, I'll let you go. Oh, I banned him.
I don't think that you banned the other guy, bro.
She ran.
That took forever.
He got.
Yeah, that did. He got back like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
15? You already killed 2 bandits in 15 minutes?
Well,
Yeah,
you
well,
can
maybe
say
if
that.
I had my crowbar that I didn't pay a random dude. Yeah, I could
He
ban him.
doesn't even have a grapple hook, bro. You do.
I didn't pay anyone.
Dude, I literally had to give my crowbar to somebody for me to change my cosmetics.
Mm.
And then my friend had to pay a literal mace, one of the mace, to a random dude for me to get
I just
an
crafted
MRE.
it. I just crafted this.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to craft, so. And plus, I don't got the resources.
That's unfortunate.
Well,
Well, what do we do now?
let's get to our next mission.
Okay. So where are we going now?
Alright. I'm gonna bring you guys to your guys' next mission. We're going over there.
Wait,
There are
could we like
very-
go re-gear
two
first?
very strong bandits.
Could we go
Yeah.
re-gear first?
Let's go
Right
ahead and
back.
re-gear.
I don't
Where
need
are you
to
gonna
re-gear,
go?
I'm good.
I'll stay here. MREs.
I'll
Alright,
take
bet.
memory.
Give me that MRE.
I have 2 now.
Alright. Next mission is over there. 2 very strong bandits.
Alright, we got this.
Okay. I'm hungry.
Alright, I'm gonna
Let's
re-gear
go.
first a little bit
I'll
more.
stay
Let's
here
go waste
waiting
some
for
more
you guys.
time.
What is this? Whoa! Oh, holy weapons. Here. Yo, whoa, look at all these weapons. Wait, is that a gun? Look, I'm trying to
Give it
grab
to
and pull, but like... I can't. What? So guns really cannot exit stash. Wow, you can't get guns at all on this
Guns
server.
aren't allowed in this SMP.
I mean, I know that, but like, dang, I didn't know they were like actually possible to
I'm
get.
the owner
Ooh,
of this
crowbars.
SMP.
I think I would get rid of my mace in this fight, cause like... yeah, I'll get rid of my mace in this fight.
Let me see some of my things, I guess.
I
I should really swap that out.
got a crossbow.
Alright,
Make
I'm
more room.
swapping that out.
Alright, you ready to go kill him?
Yeah, I guess time to waste some more.
Dude.
Okay. Well,
Where are you guys?
Yo, these are the strong bandits. Should we just jump them?
Who are you, Chud?
Let's just kill them, bro. You get the red
What?
one.
yo.
Ooh, I never thought about this. I can't use my shield. Yo, Nicholas, you're selling, bro. Yo, Nicholas, switch.
Nice,
This guy's
boy.
good. This guy's good. Switch.
Come
Nicholas,
at me,
switch.
Chud.
Oh, you got knocked back. I fought somebody with a spear before. The Guardian. I mean, I never fought the Guardian. I'm in a different identity, you know? I'm just a random person. You don't know. Y'all don't know who I am. I'm just a random dude. Part of the Mafia. Yep. Because Fireworks is part of the Mafia, and I am too. I don't know who could. Yeah,
Wait,
Nicholas,
I'm too low
bro.
for this. I can't.
Yo, what do you mean? Yo. Yo, what?
You have to kill them by yourself.
You guys are trash.
Nah,
bro.
stay. They forfeit.
What?
Nah, you know what? 2 against 1.
Let's get him.
Yo, bro. Yo. Okay, bro,
Not
I
so
give up.
good
I
now
give
that
up,
your
bro.
partner
I give
left
up.
you.
I give up. I give up.
Alright, nah. Against the wall. Against the wall.
Bro,
Over there.
Drop your weapons.
I'm not dropping my stuff, bro. I already gave up. Y'all can just leave me
Yeah,
alone
you
now.
give up.
Then we'll
Drop your
ban you.
weapons.
Bro. I give up, bro.
Yo. I get it. You're a lowdown. Your partner left you, but you're not worth my time. Just drop your items.
Dude, what?
Just drop your items.
Drop it, or else you're gonna be banned.
Bro, I'll go, bro. Stay at your base, bro.
Alright, nah. Screw you.
Dude, what? It's so pathetic. I'm not strong.
Bro, I'm still so low. I don't even know.
What are you doing? You left me behind, bro.
Well, I was too low. That lightsaber really does damage. Bang, bang with my pipe.
Bro, you know what? Fine. You want to say, like, you want to do that? I'll go there by myself. I'll go fight them by myself. You go back to trainer or whatever.
Fine.
You go back to trainer or whatever. I'll fight them by
I'm gonna
myself.
go kill.
I'm not strong enough, bro. Look, I have to literally change my identity so then stupid fireworks don't kill me, bro. You know, nah. I'm done trying to hide my identity. What's fireworks gonna do about it, bro? Second best player in NBA.
Coming.
I'm back.
Yo, who's this kitty? I don't think we've seen him before.
Nah, the dude with the mask. That's me, bro.
Yeah. Go check his username.
Nah, no need. No need, bro. I'll tell you who I am right now.
What is it? Who are you?
It's real green.
Oh no.
You know what?
Um,
It's a 2v1. Let's just jump him right now. After.
You know, fine. Let's go then.
Let's go.
I ain't gotta hold back my skill anymore.
Oh, fucked.
oh my
Slide
god.
him out.
Let's freaking go! Yes! Oh my gosh! GG's, bro. Oh my gosh. Well, long fight.
Yeah, so that green anonymous dude, you know, that green anonymous dude, he's banned. In our mission, I kinda killed both of them, but I was low after, so I ran away. Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back, Green.
Yeah, it took you so long.
I'm alive. I banned them both by myself. 2v1.
No, you
Okay.
didn't. I banned them by myself. You stole. I made them one shot, and then
No,
you
you
stole
didn't.
my.
Look, here's his grappler.
I made.
Okay. You know what, Pug? You're a liar. Get out of here. Get out of my training.
So now what, since I banned both of them?
Well, you'll have your next mission tomorrow, but you can go ahead and head home.
Alright, bet. See ya.
You're done for today.
Hope. Long day. Who all is near me right now? Hope after banning those two bandits.
Yeah, we actually need to kill Green, bro. I'm sick and tired of him.
I
Oh,
don't know how we're gonna kill good.
Killer? Why are you at my base?
They'll just be waiting here to kill you.
Why, bro? I literally just got done fighting four bandits, bro.
You know the reason why. You ran from a fight. And
Yeah, well, you're lucky I didn't change back into my secret identity because I had to do that. So then, dude, I'm getting training from Fireworks, and if he finds out that you laid a single finger on me, you're fried. He's literally the second best player of the game. Oh wait, no, but I forgot. He works for the Mafia, so the moment he finds out who I truly am, like out of my secret identity, he's gonna kill me.
you're. I think I can beat him anyways. I have orbitals. He doesn't.
Dude, he's literally the immortal player.
Oh, yeah, true. So we should just kill you now.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna ban your friend at least. If
Like to see you try.
okay, bet. Oh, I wish I still had that grappler. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh! Why does he have orbitals?
Have we stolen?
Ooh, that shield. I gotta break that shield quick. Hey, don't
No,
die.
anyway. Yeah, don't quick draw, bro. How did you even get him a grappler? Do you know how rare those things are?
I need more orbital strike ammo.
Bro, you know how rare grapplers are, dude? Oh, I'm about to die.
Bro, I thought you were strong.
Dude, I thought you were a loser.
How am I a loser?
Because you
Hey, penguin, I need some more. Hey, penguin. Break that
Yo,
thing.
what was that loud bang noise? Yo, with Fireworks training, I'll eventually become strong enough to ban you, dude.
I think I did, yeah.
You will
That's
never
fine.
be strong enough to ban me. Hey, I only need one. Put the rest up in the bag. You'll never be strong enough to ban me, bro. Or my teammates. Come on, bro.
Oh, there goes my shield.
His shield, bro. Okay. Let's go. Hey, he doesn't even have MRE.
Oh, he's right, I don't.
I'm gonna bomb you. I'm gonna bomb you now. No. I'm gonna cut a ball.
Oh my gosh, okay, bro, okay, I give up, bro. I gotta run, I'm like super low. I'll hide up here. Why does he have orbitals, dude? I don't think I'm genuinely strong enough to beat this guy. Yeah, no, bro. Oh, guess I ain't got. Oh, woo!
I'm banning you off the server, bro. Yo, you always run. You talk all of that, bro.
Oh,
What the? Yo, that's where you went, bro.
okay, bro. You're blind.
Penguin, get him.
Can't mace me in water.
No.
Oh, it's always the knockout. Where'd all my items go? Okay, yo, bro, I have no items. Wait, how am I genuinely gonna survive this? Oh. I have no items, bro. Yo, you suck at PvP. Oh, no, he's here.
Green. Yo, you know where Green is?
I'm right here.
What
I have
happened
no
to all your
items. How am I supposed to win this?
Yo, what happened to your items, bro?
I don't know.
What happened?
Yo, I'm dead here,
Did
bro.
they break on you? Bro, what is your plan, bro? I should just ban you now, bro.
Yo, what?
Oh, what next here? I can't mace him in the water.
Isn't it raining?
I don't have a trident. What you? He's eating apples.
Oh, I overshot that.
Yeah.
Where'd all my items go?
Green, you have no weapons. Green. Alright, kill him. I'm done playing. Green.
Yes! Oh my gosh! Yo! No way that worked! They could be on me. Never mind. No. Gotta go find fireworks.
Yo, Timmy.
Fireworks. Fireworks. What is that? Yo, what is that
What's
weapon?
up, Green? I got a little upgrade from the last time, okay?
Oh, well, if you can't tell, I kind of just lost a fight. Lost my crow. So what's next? Fireworks.
Alright, so since you did so good, we're gonna put you on a pretty cool mission, and we're gonna go to a Empire real quick, alright?
Or bet.
Alright.
So we're gonna gear up, right?
Yep.
Oh, I forgot you can fly. Oh,
What you need? Do you need a MRE?
oh, I could probably buy my items. I still can't believe you can't buy guns or nothing, because, like, yeah. You could buy, like, these kind of guns that are harmless. Bombs and stuff.
Yeah.
I guess I'll get my crowbar back. What is that? Spend 500 nuts. In a way, there's those on the server.
Is that all you need? I can give you a couple other stuff if you need.
I don't think I want to do a grappler right now. Like, I'll do this. Yeah, no, this is good.
Okay. All that you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the king, all the way at the end of the mountain. You should see his house.
Alright. Boots. Boots. Hey, Boots.
Hey!
Whoa.
Get out!
Okay, bro, okay, what?
Hey! Who's just sleeping, you idiot? Get out of here!
We need his help for a war, bro. Like, me and Fireworks, we, like, need his help for a...
Hey, pal, you better leave. Hey, pal, you better leave. You don't want to see the alpha when he's angry.
Well, what? Well, I mean, like...
Hey, you
we just
heard
need-
him! We
Yo.
don't care!
I'm gonna kill both of y'all if you don't.
Bro, you can try it! We'll kill you! We'll dig-
Alright, man, I'm gonna...
Come on! Come on! Come on in! Come on! Oh! Come on! Oh! Huh? Wait, how do you do that? Where is he?
Oh, there goes my grappler. Oh, I'll do damage.
Yeah, you better leave!
Shut down, Mr. President.
Yo, I'm gonna ban both of you guys, bro.
Oh, no way! Wait, no way he has that! No way he can ban us!
Wait,
No way! Hey, this intruder this intruder just tried to break in!
Nah, I was trying to
Yeah.
talk to him.
Let me talk!
Whoa,
So this is Green. He's my friend.
the alpha is angry.
You guys should know that, you idiots. And
I'm
don't
not
kill
an
him.
idiot.
But what do you need me for? Yes, you are.
So,
You're
like, I needed, me and Fireworks, you might know him, like, second best player.
Wait, fireworks? Like, bro,
Shut up.
So, hang on,
fireworks,
listen.
like,
So,
bro, he's like,
I'm in a secret
fireworks,
identity
you know
because,
fireworks?
so, I'm trying to
He's
get
like-
training
he's
from
like the
Fireworks so I
second-
could stop,
he's like
like,
the
the best
second-
assassin and
strongest.
Anakin and stuff who's hunting me down.
He's like the
But-
he's like
That
the
is the
best-
worst disguise
he's
I've
like
ever
the best
seen.
fighter in the world.
He doesn't
He's like
know,
the best
so,
fighter.
but the
I am
reason
the
why I'm
best, you're the
disguising is
best one.
because I'm the Mafia's biggest target, you know? You probably heard
Okay.
rumors about it.
I don't
Mhm.
care. But he's like, bro,
the right-hand man of the entire Mafia, so.
Bro, but bro, he's like so strong, bro. Like, how
Yeah,
how
if
are
you
we
find out who
supposed
I
to,
am, I'm
like,
fried, bro. So
is
we
he
just need your help
stronger
for
than
a war.
Yes, bro. He's stronger than everyone.
Yeah,
He's
he
stronger
must be
than the
really
world
strong.
itself.
Alright,
He's
bet.
stronger than the
So-
world itself.
Let's go.
Alright,
bro.
well, let's find him. Oh, fireworks!
King, world protector.
Gang, what should
Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. Shut up. Just take
Where
a
is
nap.
this man? Fireworks.
Or watch your skibbity toilet or something.
Yes, with it. Hey,
Guardian or
fireworks!
wait, no, fireworks.
Is that fireworks?
Fireworks. Where's fireworks? Fireworks?
Fireworks!
Sorry.
Okay, I got. Yo,
Actually
whoa!
about to kill you.
Okay, I got him.
My bad.
He's gonna help us at the OG map thing you were talking about, the war.
I wanna go down the OG map,
I
bro.
knew that you were dumb, but I didn't know that you were this dumb. Okay. Alright, let's go.
Gosh dang, bro.
Alright, we'll meet you soon. Meet us at OG map.
My goodness, bro.
Alright, so y'all ready to for that war?
Scuba.
Yep.
Scuba. Skip the war.
My Elytra. My Elytra.
Alright. Your Elytra's kind of like a flooding. Your Elytra's not latching.
I dropped my Elytra.
Why'd you drop it?
I kind of like. Okay.
buddy.
Yeah.
What was that, pal?
Oh, yo, killers here.
Yo, blue or green?
Yo, if fireworks fights you, you're dead.
Yeah.
Yo, stay back, Red, stay back. What are y'all doing here? I thought there was a war. Did you get false information?
Yeah, there's supposed to be a war here.
Nah. My boss told me that there was a war, bro. That we need to fight.
Well, did you fake the thing? Did you just send him a fake thing for you to kill me?
Of course I did.
Yep. Well, it was a fake war. Dude, it's 4 against 2, bro.
And
We're gonna
3 and a
die.
half.
We have fireworks on our team.
What was
He's literally
that?
the second best player.
Nothing.
Yeah, second.
I just said
best.
scuba. You know
See-
scuba. I just said
Yeah,
scuba.
second best. Saber,
Yeah, and you're
I'm just gonna
55th.
ban you guys.
You're yeah, well, you two are getting banned today.
We'll see.
Why are we banning?
Oh my god. Invisible barrier.
I'm a rubber bubbles. Bubbles. Ah!
I'll get bubbles. Y'all get.
My back.
Orbital strike.
Hey, hit me.
Oh, that's you.
Mason.
Oh wait, the invisible barrier.
Make it back.
Oh my pain.
I'm a real kitty. Nothing little fake.
You know, I'll let them do whatever.
Oh my god. I'm not
Let me get killer. Let me get killer.
Feel my
I'm back, man. I'm at a quarter health. Yo, green. Green, I'm at a quarter.
All right,
Yo,
Bubba,
green, wait. Me and my guard can handle this.
Y'all can?
Yo, guard.
All right, let's go.
Yeah,
Fireworks. Fireworks.
You
Let's
guys
go.
run away.
Portal.
I got,
Good luck.
I got blue.
you bombs.
Oh, he just got maced. All right, so fireworks. What's next? Do we head back now and hopefully pray that
Yep.
Boots is alive? Dude, I hope Boots is okay, man.
Can you grab it?
All right, so now what? Do it? Huh? What was that?
I don't know.
Hey,
I got some information about Green. He's lime
Okay.
green. He's wearing a halo, and that's all the information I got.
Sounds a lot like you, bro.
Oh, yeah. He's also very good at crowbar PvP.
Yeah, it sounds also a lot like you. Would you mind like removing your mask? Cause like
I'm It's, bro. Okay, there.
you're it's.
Yep, it's real green, bro. That was. I'm sorry that I
so,
lied
like,
to you.
You're the
'cause,
one who
like,
I'm kind of hunting down. So
no,
I
that's
kinda
why
gotta ban you.
fake my identity. But listen, I'm sorry that I lied to you and stuff. And now you probably want to ban me because I lied and used training out of you. But like, I only did it so then like, the mafia literally took everything from me, bro. They took my friend Eli. I don't know if they took my
Well,
other
no,
friend.
I don't really.
He really had to give you a paper about who I am. You already know.
Yeah. Green, take your stuff.
But like, dude, sorry I lied. Dude, the mafia took everything from me. They took my friend Eli. They took my base. They killed my friends. Like, what else, bro?
Probably your life.
Like, I didn't do nothing to them. They just, like, won't leave me alone. Like, they took my friend. They took my base. They, like, took everything I have.
Okay. Well, I think that's enough stalling. Let's get to fighting.
Bro, I'm not gonna win. What is he doing? Oh, shoot.
Cause baby, you're a fire.
Stupid Elytra, bro. So much for the second best player if you're camping in the air.
Not camping in there.
No, fight me on ground.
Alright, bet.
Oh.
I have too much blade.
You can use the sword sometimes. Oh, I can just re-grab it. That's good to know against killer. Yeah, you're the second best player. What do you expect? Dude, I would be able to kill Killer, I think. It's just every single time we fought, I was always ungeared. I wasn't ready, but now I'm ready. And plus, with your training, and whenever I seen you fight, you taught me how to fight and stuff. So now I know what to do. Now I'm better. Now I'm like you.
You have gone.
Dude, I can't even hit you. Hey, you dropped something. Oh, I ain't going in there. Oh, wait, I might have to go in here. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
What
I
is
knew my good old friend would come back.
Bro, I'm done trying to be kind to you, bro.
That other guy who I kicked out, bro, I took it hard on you. I'm
See, I see your tactic, now I'm learning it. Oh, he hit that.
I see now you're a little bit more active, huh?
Yeah, because I don't want to ban you, but now you're making me have to.
I don't want to be either, bro. Orders are orders.
Dude, you know who you're working for, right? They're bad people. You're not a bad person. Dude, if you would actually chill, dude, with this training, I could stop the mafia by myself and set you free. You don't gotta be working with bad people.
I mean, hey. The contract is gonna give me 50,000, alright?
Dude, you only care about payment, bro. Can't even get a hit on you.
How are you
Dude, why are you so good at PvP? Yeah, well, I'm about to die, bro.
fighting for like a long time or something?
Oh, You weren't even low yet this entire time. Well, I mean, you could still attack me, but like I'm just gonna talk as you do it. And all right, ready? There you go, dude. I'm literally, dude. With your training, I'm trying to get trained by more people, like that are good. And listen, if I get this training, I can literally become so powerful that the mafia wouldn't be like, you won't even be captured by the mafia anymore, man. Like, you won't even have to work for them. So what about payment? Is your reputation more than payment, bro?
You are right.
Yeah, see, you don't gotta ban me.
I don't
You're
want
the
to
second best player. I'm gonna die, bro. Oh, and there goes my crowbar. Like, bro.
I don't want to ban anyone.
See, the mafias are gonna force you to do that. Like, bro, think about it. Like, my shield's at 1 durability. If you hit me, like, and I block it one more time, I'm like, my shield's gone, and then I'm dead. Literally got a crowbar in this. Like, what am I gonna do with it? And you're fully restocked. You're fully ready for another fight. Like,
You're off the hook.
bet. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, dude, I can't wait till I stop this mafia, and then everybody can be free now. Thank you for watching, it means a lot, and if you want to see more of the hardcore ACSMP, make sure to go subscribe to me. And Killer Blue, he's the other protagonist, but he might not have recorded his videos yet, and he won't tell me his channel, so until then, I guess you can't see his videos. But thanks a lot for watching, it means a lot, and if you want to be inside of some of these videos, then our recording channel is Hardcore AC. Sometimes we'll be in there for fun, sometimes we're not. So, see ya, man.